Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mohali location. It is from Punjab. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist in Netsters Infotech Private Limited. Coming to the skills required for this job role, like the candidates should have good communication as well as written skills, and she must have experience to plan, optimism and implement paid campaigns for different clients as per the guidelines and the requirement of client. And the candidate must be able to maintain good relationships with clients and must be team handling skills. He or she must be ready to join on immediate basis and ready to work from home. These are the required skills for the candidates. Coming to the experience required, like 1 to 3 years of experience required, and coming to the qualifications, that is minimum graduation. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Business Development Executive or Online Bidder in Digitologics. Coming to the job requirements, like the candidates must have excellent written and verbal skills, IT fluency, and should be proficient in proposal writing after analyzing the client's requirements, and must be comfortable in emailing or chatting with the client over Skype and maintaining fruitful relationships with existing customers, and to research organizations and individuals online and especially on social media, and to identify new leads and potential new markets, and planning and overseeing new marketing initiatives. These are the requirements for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Project Business Analyst in Cyber Next Private Limited. Coming to the experience required, like 1 to 2 years of experience required. Coming to the skills required, like the candidates must have experience in handling WordPress and Shopify based projects, and excellent written and verbal communication skills, having an understanding of client requirements followed by timely deliverance, and good analytical skills and scope management and resource and load management skills. These are the skills required for the desired candidate. Coming to the benefits, like that is 5 days working days and on-time salary credited and healthy and fun environment and absence of favoritism in hiring and promotions, and growth opportunities will be there. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for online bidder. Freshers and 1 year experienced candidates can apply for this job role. And coming to the salary, it will be hike on current, and 5 days working days will be there. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Associate and Senior Associate Internal Operations in Escalent Business Services, and experience will be 1 year plus experienced candidates can apply. Coming to the job duties and key responsibilities, like understanding the client's requirements and delivering their software solutions to facilitate and follow the standard process and best practices, manage the provisioning process including the creation of groups or users and any other areas that require modification, and deliver and user trainings to clients, and which may include technical personnel, senior executives and administrative staff, and maintain a high level of process quality and consistency as well as an excellent relationship with their clients. Coming to the key skills required, like track record of managing multiple projects under tight deadlines, strong interpersonal skills conducive to team development, and works independently and has good judgment and consistent follow through, and troubleshooting on QBO or QBD and different softwares from functionality perspective. These are some key skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for team lead in Bunch. Coming to the education background, like the candidates should have minimum education like MBA is preferred, and 4 to 7 years of experience in post MBA or graduation, and previous customer service experience with the ability to build and maintain customer relationships, and previous sales experience is a plus. And coming to the skills and experience required, like the candidates should have strong analytical, strong organizational skills, especially time management, strong verbal and written communication skills. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for front-end developer in Wisdom Infosoft. Coming to the experience required, like 6 months to 1 year experienced candidates can apply, and work location will be Mohali, and there will be a 5 days working, and it is work from home. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for search engine optimization executive in Vanitech, and there are one vacancies available, and 2 to 3 years experienced candidates can apply. Coming to the job responsibilities, like keeping up to date with developments in SEM and SEO executive requirements, like extensive experience in SEO, working knowledge of Google Analytics, good knowledge of backlink analysis. Coming to the required candidate profile, like using various advanced tools for SEO research and analysis, competitor analysis, keyword research, content analysis, and meta title analysis and writing, and managing Google Analytics. These are the required candidate profile. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for product manager in Create Infotech. Coming to the job responsibilities, like create the product roadmap and work with the customers to get their feedback and operate in a cross-functional capacity with the support, marketing, design and development teams to deliver a finished product. Coming to the qualifications required, like a bachelor's degree or equivalent in 3 years plus experience in product management, engineering or consulting will be required, and strong written and verbal and collaboration skills. These are some qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.